Hi there, students. I was thinking about making a video on the proverb, shame me once, shame on you, shame me twice, shame on me. But then I realised I didn't even have a video about shame. So let's see. Shame is a painful emotion because you feel you are inferior or unworthy because of your actions or your thoughts or your circumstances. So he felt shame. He felt ashamed because he had never gone to school. The boy was ashamed at what he had done. He felt shame. So notice we have shame, the noun, to shame, the verb, shameful, adjective, shamefully, adverb, and then ashamed an adjective. Yeah. So notice as well, ashamed must go with the phrase to be ashamed. It needs to go with the verb to be. We can't say an ashamed action. No, a shameful action. So I'm sure very often you've heard this phrase, what a shame. It's a shame that. And this we use to mean that something is a regrettable situation, a regrettable circumstance. It's a shame that you can't come to the party on Sunday. It's a shame that so much food was wasted after the party. Okay, shame is the opposite of pride. When you feel pride, you feel good because you do good things. Well, shame is the opposite. It's when you hate yourself because you think you're inadequate, inferior, unworthy, even though it's probably not true. So let's see. You can shame somebody into doing something. You can embarrass them. You can make them feel so bad, so much shame that they do the right thing. Then we have a phrase to put to shame. Well, you can put somebody to shame, embarrass them. What you did was totally morally wrong, and you know very well that it was wrong. To put to shame. But we also use this phrase meaning to surpass. So your cooking puts my cooking to shame. Your cooking is much, much, much better than mine. The quality of the boy's essay put to shame all of the adults that had entered into the competition. The energy that she has at 75 years old puts me to shame when I'm not even 60. Yeah? Okay, so to put someone to shame, either to embarrass them or to be much better than, to be vastly different from them. So let me now look at this phrase, shame me once. Trick me once, shame on me. Trick me twice, shame on you. So if you trick me once, then you should be embarrassed for being dishonest with me. But if I let you get away with it, if I let you do it a second time, then I should be embarrassed because I know you've done it before and I shouldn't have trusted you. Okay? Let's see, this word shame comes from Germanic. There's a Dutch word, shaman, or even a German word, sham, which are related to this. I think shame is a neutral word. I think you can use it in the most informal conversation. Although phrases like "what a shame," I think that's an informal phrase in itself. But you could use the phrase "it's a shame that you couldn't come." You could use in something much more formal. Okay, so shame. Oh God, I feel so bad because I shouldn't have done that. I'm unworthy. I'm inferior. Or something that is regrettable. It's a shame that I haven't got enough money to buy this. It's a shame that you didn't start watching my videos earlier. Something that's regrettable. Okay? Then, shame, noun. To shame, a verb. Shameful, adjective. Ashamed, adjective. Shamefully. And I think you could also say ashamedly. Yeah? He ashamedly admitted. He ashamedly admitted that it was wrong. Notice something that's shameful is something that deserves shame. Whereas if you are ashamed, you feel shame. He felt ashamed for his shameful actions. So shameful actions that deserve the person who did them to feel shame, and ashamed how you feel. So there we go, shame. I hope that's helped you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shame.